Did you know that social health plays a crucial role in our overall well-being? Studies in the USA show that maintaining strong social connections can significantly improve both mental and physical health. Yet many of us overlook this vital component of our health routines. Imagine feeling more connected, supported, and happier simply by nurturing your social health. But what exactly is social health? It encompasses the quality of our relationships and how we interact within our communities. It's about being engaged, feeling valued, and contributing to collective well-being. Recent statistics reveal a concerning trend. Many Americans report feeling isolated and disconnected, which can profoundly affect their overall health. But there's good news. By focusing on social health, we can enhance our quality of life and foster a sense of belonging. In this video, we'll explore practical exercises designed to improve your social health. You'll learn how simple activities can lead to stronger relationships and a healthier lifestyle. So, whether you're looking to boost your mood or strengthen community bonds, stay with us as we delve into the world of social health. Next, we'll address common barriers to engaging in these exercises and how to overcome them. Many of us encounter hurdles when trying to engage in social health activities. Social anxiety and isolation are common barriers. However, these challenges are not insurmountable. Understanding the impact of social isolation is crucial, as it can lead to feelings of loneliness affecting both mental and physical health. Fortunately, there are practical steps we can take to overcome these obstacles. Finding supportive environments or groups can help ease social anxiety and build confidence over time. By acknowledging these barriers, we can start to dismantle them, paving the way for a healthier social life. Embracing small, manageable steps towards engaging with others can make a significant difference. Whether it's reaching out to a friend or joining a community activity, every effort counts. As we continue, let's explore exercises that can enhance our social well-being and foster connections. Together, we can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and fulfillment. Let's explore exercises that can boost your social health. First, consider group yoga. This practice not only enhances physical flexibility, but also fosters a sense of community and shared purpose. Imagine joining others in a serene environment where every breath and movement connects you to those around you. Next, we have team sports. Whether it's basketball, soccer, or volleyball, team sports offer a dynamic platform. The thrill of working together towards a common goal cultivates trust and camaraderie. It's an excellent way to enhance your social network while staying fit. Finally, let's dance. Social dance, be it salsa, swing, or ballroom, encourages physical contact and coordination with a partner or group. It's an expressive way to connect with others, breaking barriers and building confidence through rhythm and movement. Dancing is not just an exercise. It's a joyful celebration of social interaction. Each of these activities offers unique benefits, helping you break free from isolation and embrace a more socially connected lifestyle. As we continue, we'll discuss the advantages these exercises bring to your mental and emotional well-being. Stay tuned for the next segment, where we'll delve into how these practices can transform your life. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to overlook the power of connection. Yet engaging in social health exercises offers more than just physical benefits. Imagine the joy of shared laughter during a community yoga session, or the sense of belonging when participating in a local sports team. These activities do more than just keep us fit. They nurture our mental health, creating a ripple effect of positivity throughout our lives. When we gather for a social dance or collaborate in team exercises, we build stronger community bonds that transcend the activity itself. It's about forging connections that uplift us and contribute to our overall happiness. By stepping into these shared experiences, we invest in a healthier, more fulfilling life. Whether you're joining a group for the first time or rekindling old friendships through exercise, remember that each step you take is a stride towards a happier, healthier you. Embrace these opportunities to connect and thrive in ways you never imagined possible. Next, we'll explore how you can take action today to enhance your social health and share your journey with others. Let's continue to make strides towards a brighter, more connected future. Now it's your turn to take charge of your social health. You've seen the exercises. Now it's time to try them yourself. Embrace the challenge and see how it transforms your well-being. Remember, each step you take is a step towards a healthier, more connected you. We invite you to share your journey with us and the community. Let your experiences inspire others. Together, we can build a network of support and encouragement. Social health isn't just about connecting with others, it's about connecting with yourself. It's about finding joy in shared experiences and building lasting relationships. As you embark on this journey, remember that every small effort counts. You have the power to enhance your life and the lives of those around you. So, why wait? Start today. Engage in these exercises and watch as they bring happiness and fulfillment into your life. And don't forget to share your stories with us. We want to hear how these practices are making a difference for you. Let's create a community where social health thrives, where every voice is heard and every story matters. Together, we can make a difference.